of the Vdara suite. It was a complimentary upgrade with our gold tier status with MGM. So when you walk in, there is an extra bathroom here. We have a closet with absolutely nothing in it. Dining area, floor length mirror. And then this is one of the more spacious kitchen setups that we've seen at Vdara. So we actually have the full-sized fridge, and it's KitchenAid. So lots of room for storing drinks. We've got our leftover fruit from the pool yesterday. Freezer. Stove, microwave. Mini fridge with nothing in it. And then we've got a dishwasher, sink, cabinets. You can request a kitchen setup from the front desk. We have a full laundry setup. So a washer, dryer. That thing just opens on its own. And a nice living room. TV. Got a view of Aria and Harmon. A little bit of the south end of the strip. And our bedroom is also very spacious. We have a king-size bed. More of the view. Same from the living room. Got a closet. Extra pillows, robes. Always liked this little closet. It's got extra shelves. Small mirror. And we have 2 sinks. Vanity lighting, makeup mirror, large tub, and then the shower in this room is a little bit bigger than what you normally see in a Vdara room. And it looks like they've retiled the floor, so it's a little less slippery than usual, but decent shower, toilet, and that is a tour of our room at Vdara, the Vdara suite. A complimentary gold upgrade. It was great for Memorial Day weekend and a little bit of a longer trip.